Good afternoon and welcome to the Q&A session 22 from the playlist of IIT-JEE Advanced Physics. The topic is the work done in moving a charge in an electric field. So based on this topic, I have taken one question which was asked in the IIT-JEE exam in the year 1981. The question is very simple. Here the question is, work done in moving a point charge from one point to another in an electrostatic field depends on the path followed uh, followed by it. So this statement is true or false. So we have to just tell whether this statement is false or true. Now, the work done in moving a charge from one point to another in an electrostatic field depends on the initial and the final position of the object, because the electrostatic field is a conservative field, and in a conservative field the work done is totally dependent on the initial and the final position of the object or the charge in this case, and it does not depend on the path followed by it. So the answer here will be false. So thank you very much for joining this session. Now in the next session, I will be coming up with a different type of a question which has been asked in the JEE advanced exam in the previous year. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.